This amazing kitchen has quartz countertops and cabinets in wood. It's so well distributed. So from here you can get the view and the area for the family room. Now let's look at the area for the dining. You also have this amazing view to the lake in all this area. And here we can see the main entrance of this property and the stairs to the second floor. It has 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom here on the first floor. The other 4 bedrooms are on the second floor, so we're going to see them in just a minute.